Howdy guys, Jimmy Song here. In this video, I'm going to go through some of the reasons why authoritarianism just rubs me so the wrong way. I hate authoritarianism in almost every form. And there's a lot of it out there that's in sort of subtle forms that I want to point out and call out. Especially on Twitter, what you'll often see are people that demand certain behavior from some certain other people. So these can often be like calls for civility or calls to be nice to other people. Oh, those people are new. You should be nice to them. You should blah, blah, blah. You should do blah, blah, blah. And that's a form of authoritarianism, right? Like it's demanding certain behavior from others without a good justification. It just happens to be the standard that you want, or it happens to be convenient or good for you, and you're demanding it from other people. And this is often how socialism works, right? Like, oh, everyone should sacrifice and do X, Y, and Z because, that will make civilization so much greater. I don't like that. I don't like it when people demand that I do X just because it's convenient for them. And I mean, like if you want to appeal to my own values, then fine. Yeah, if you know that one of my values is to make civilization better through the growth of goods and services available to people, yeah, then appeal to me that way. That's a lot better. But if you don't know me and you're just sort of like, you should be nice to these altcoiners because of you should respect civility or whatever, then I'm not going to listen to you, because I don't think you understand what the history of altcoiners are, and you don't understand what I or a lot of other people have been through in having to fend off a lot of these people that are clearly scamming, that have done a lot of harm in our industry, screwed over a lot of people, and so on. So no, I refuse to be civil to people with stupid ideas. If they are stupid ideas, I'm going to call them out on it, and that's a part of what I value is being brutally honest to people that sort of come in with the attitude, I just heard about Bitcoin, I'm here to fix it with this new altcoin or something like that. So no, I'm not going to behave the way you expect. And this is hopefully something that I can say about other aspects of my life as well. I mean, like, yeah, there are social norms, but they're based on my values. But you can't sort of just sort of demand things from me without appealing to the values that I have. And what I see too often are, these are the values that you happen to have, and you are imposing your values on me, and I don't like that. And this is why I often really hate politics, because that is almost always the standard by which people sort of treat each other. It's, well, you should conform to my values because this is the way I want things to be done, and therefore you have to conform to whatever it is that I say. This is why I don't pay attention to it, because that's a stupid conversation, and it should not see the light of day. And you're not going to convince somebody to go against their own will. That's I mean, like, I guess you can guilt them into it once in a while if they happen to be kind of weak-minded. But this is why I don't like authoritarianism. I would rather have people be volunteers to do X, Y, or Z. I mean, like, it's the way civilization should work. Anyway, that's a little bit of a rant on authoritarianism. Hope that helps you. This song is done.